I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim paper money. First, understand that paper money is a powerful simulated trading platform, allowing you to practice without financial risk. To begin, simply select the paper money option when logging into Thinkorswim. This gives you access to virtual funds, typically $100,000, to explore the platform and test your strategies in a realistic market environment. It's an excellent tool for learning. Now let's place a practice trade. Navigate to the Trade tab or right-click on a chart to open a trade ticket. Here, you can select your desired asset, quantity, and order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a price. Review your order details carefully, then click Confirm and Send to place your simulated trade. You'll see your open positions under the Monitor tab. After placing trades, it's crucial to review your performance. Head over to the Monitor tab and then select Account Statement to see a detailed breakdown of your simulated activity. This section shows your profit and loss, commissions, and overall account balance. Regularly analyzing these statements helps you understand the effectiveness of your strategies. Look for patterns in your successful trades versus those that didn't perform as expected to refine your approach. To further enhance your learning, explore Thinkorswim's advanced features. Experiment with complex order types, such as one cancels the other or bracket orders, to manage risk. Dive into the extensive charting tools to practice technical analysis and identify potential entry and exit points. Remember, you can reset your paper money account balance at any time if you wish to start fresh with your virtual funds. This allows for continuous, risk-free learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.